Good day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a website on your smartphone using WordPress. So immediately you click on WordPress on your smartphone, you can get it downloaded on your Play Store or on your App Store if you are using iPhone or this Apple devices. So now the first thing that we're gonna do is that immediately you click on the WordPress app, make sure that you register for it. So you want to create a new website, and that's what we'll be doing in this video. Okay, so me, I'm having these ones here because I've actually designed some here. There are some websites I've done that I've created using this WordPress on on my smartphone. Okay, let's click on this to check some of those things that are there. Okay, I'm going to click on it so that you will see how it looks like. Okay, this was a welcome page that I did using this, and so we'll be learning how to create something even more beautiful than that. Okay, let me show you another one. So this one also, I use my smartphone to design this. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, now I'm going to add a new site. You click on the plus sign there, then you click create wordpress.com site. So after clicking on it, there is a new upgrade in WordPress on smartphone. Before, it won't bring like try the new Jetpack app, or it was just linked with WordPress right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do here right now is to click on try the new Jetpack app. If I click on it, it's going to load and bring this face. Then in this face, you click on the plus sign there, then you click on okay, no, wait, you are going to click here, click on at the site. So no, in the former classes I said something that you must choose a kind of topic that your site will be on. If it is on food, on lifestyle, maybe your blog is going to be on news or something personal, photography, travel, and all of that. But the one that we will be doing today, I will love to choose okay, let's say food. Let me choose food. Let me choose food. So it means those things that you want to be doing there, or let's say that is actually needed so that they will know the kind of theme that you'll be using. For example, it brought something here that choose a theme. We have the one that is best for food and a lot of that. So these are how it will looks like. It's going to be in form of blog and all of that. Okay, um let's use these. Okay, let's use this Barnesbury. Okay, let's click on it. So this is how it's gonna look like. So this is just like a theme. So there's something about WordPress, and WordPress will create like an already made template for how your site is gonna look like, how the template will be, and all of that. So this is the preview. If you want to check how, okay, this is how it will look like on smartphone. If you want to check out how it will look like on a, a tablet, you click here. So immediately you launch your site, this is how it will look like. And if it is on desktop, if you click on it, this is how it will be like on your desktop. Okay, so now the next thing we'll be doing is that you are going to be choosing this kind of theme for what we want to design. So you click on choose. So now you want to choose a domain name. You know, in the former tutorial, I said something that you have to choose a domain name, and I've actually explained the domain name. So We're talking about domain name. Domain name just means the kind of name that you want to use for the kind of site that you want to build. We have in the aspect of .com, .org, and all of that. Okay, so now let's be using we will be using food. Let's use food tech. Okay, let's say food tech. Okay, we have the one that is recommended. This is actually free. So there's something about WordPress. We give you some that are free. So you're going to choose the one that is free. There are some that you can buy it. Okay, there's food tech 3.wordpress. So this one is free. So let's click on the one that is free. Okay, continue with subdomain. So here you are brought here to choose a perfect plan. So for starting, okay, because this one we just want to use this for tutorial, I will click on start with free. So we said hooray, is almost done, your site is ready. Okay, so your site has been created. You'll be able to customize the look and feel how your site feel of your site later. Okay, so now this is how it's gonna look like. Then let's click on OK. Okay, want the title, help managing this site. Okay, let's try and okay, this is the site title. Let's click on no thanks so that we continue. Okay, now we're gonna be learning how this is where the main work starts. The one that you do now is just to create like your site in simple step. So now we will be editing everything that is inside the app. Okay, so now if you want to do that, um let's scroll here. So we have a lot of things. We have different section here. Okay, there is a place that we call like the powerhouse. We actually call the place the powerhouse. That is where you can do a lot of things. It's called the WordPress admin. So the WordPress admin, let's click on it. So inside the WordPress admin, that is where your control panel is, where you can do a lot of things. And don't worry, you'll be very familiar with this the more we move on. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, let's click on this post. You can create a post here. You can like draft some posts. You can schedule a post or trash and all of that. Okay, so now let's try out some things. Let's click on the site. So we click on the site. Let's try and okay. Okay. So if you click on the eye, something that look like eye is like editing, that like a pen, like a pen. Sometimes it look like an eyeball, and it also look like a pen. So if you click on it, then you click on customize or edit. So let's click on customize and see what is gonna show us. So just wait for it to load. So in this customize, you can change the site title and all of that. But that's not what we will be doing right now. We still get to that aspect. Okay, so now let's click on edit. So as we click on edit, it said that we should open in the Jetpack app. This is actually a new improvement with this. Before, they are not in affiliates with Jetpack before. You can just use the normal. So let's click on. You can continue with the opening of the Jetpack app, but we'll be using continue in browser. So in this continue in browser, we can click. Okay, click on this three dots here. You click on these three dots, it will help you to edit some things. Okay, don't worry, you just need to play around with it. You can change this. Let's change this to welcome. can change it to anything that will fit your site. Okay, so this one, let's change this to um okay. Okay, let's click on this. So just try to wipe it off. Let's click on get your food with us. Depending on the kind of niche, is because this one is actually related to food. This site is actually related to it. So let's click on this and click on buy now. Actually, as I said earlier, this is already made template depending on what you want to use and depending on the kind of niche. So now you can change your services. And so if you want to edit the picture, if you click on the editing of the picture, and just the if you want to deal with the image, but what we are going to be doing is to replace it. You can replace it. So if you want to replace it, just click on this replace. You can select a media that you've already uploaded before, and you can upload a new one. So if you click on the upload, just want to um let me try and use one. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let's use this let's use this. Okay, get your food with us, but you can change it to anything of your choice. So all these thing that is here, you can actually edit all of them too. There's a lot of things that you'll be learning in simple steps using this video right here. Okay, now services, what we do, you can edit it, too. Okay, now let's try this one here. It said we produce organic vegetable boxes that are affordable, seasonal, and as fresh and local as possible. You can change it. You can change this picture here too. If you click on it, like this, then you can replace. You can edit this one too. Click on this. You can edit it depending on what you want. So immediately you are done with that, this is what you're gonna do. You click on the update. So if you click on this update, it will change. So it's bringing that page updated, that you should view the page. If you click on the view page, you see that this has already been updated, but this is not really what we'll be using. I want to um just make it as an example for us. Okay, so now this is how it will look like here. Let's try and go back to um the place that we click on before we get to this powerhouse here. Okay, this is this place, and if you want to create a new post that you will be adding, so let's say you want to create a new post there right now inside the site, just click on this, click on posts, create a post, then you write this title. Let's say new food, new food alert. That's right, get your food with us. Get your food with us. Then you click on this under here at the left down corner. You click on the plus sign. You can add paragraph, you can add a heading, you can add image, you can add videos. Okay, let me try and click on the image. After clicking on it, you can choose from the device. You can take a photo, you can choose a from the WordPress. Like if you click on the WordPress library, these are the pictures rather that you have there that you can use. Okay, let's click on this one and let's select. Okay, you can add a caption. Let's write get your food with us at a very affordable price today. You can also write a lot of stories, a lot of things that will attract your customers. Actually, this one, as I said earlier, we're just using this one as cite an example and to try and gain some things on how you can maneuver it by yourself, and just try and play around with it. The more you play around with it, the more you get it. So let's click on the publish. So the publish, you can add the publish date, tags, and all of that categories, not set, but the more you play with that, the more you get it. Okay, let's click on the publish now. You click on the publish now. um the post is actually posted already, and you can check it. Okay, this is it. You can also update it using the update button there. Then this is the post is updated there. You can click on the view. So immediately you click on the view, it's gonna bring it like that. Okay, this is actually a page in it, a page um in your site. Okay, that's a page in your site. Okay, let's click on this. Check how it's gonna look like. Okay. Okay, there's a lot we still need to do with this. There's a lot we still need to do. There's a lot we still need to do. Okay. Um, we have different kind of pages too. We have the welcome page. This is the welcome page. This was actually formerly written as home, so this is what you will see immediately you come to this page, and you can actually change it, you can actually update it. Okay, so now this is about page. You can change this about page. Just means that um what you are doing on your page, when a client or a customer come to your site, they will have to read, okay, this is about the page, this is the niche of this site. Okay, as you read about this about page, it said this is an example of a page, unlike posts which are displayed on your blog's front page. On your blog's front page in the order they are published. Pages are better suited for more timeless content that you want to be easily accessible, like your about or contact information. Click the edit link to make changes to this page. So if you click on it, you can actually add other pages. So if you want to add other, okay, let's click on the one of add other pages. Okay, but this is just a kind of a template for it, so that's why it's not clicking. Okay, we have the blog. So this is automatically generated and cannot be edited. You will still get to know more about all those things. Okay, so now these are recent activities. Okay, there's something we can also do if you want to add like a site icon. Our site should have like a picture. Okay, let me try and drop this. You can use your logo. Let's try and drop this in the logo. Click on it and try to frame it. Okay, this is actually good. By just using it as the logo, so if anybody comes to your channel, that's what they will actually be seeing as like the logo. And okay, let's click on the desktop format. Okay, so another thing that you'll be learning, very very important, and we'll be learning how to do this in the next video, is when someone comes to your site and the person click on this buy now, there's something we call, we have front end developing of site, and we have the back end. So this front end is just the one we are doing right now. We are creating how the visual will look like, how, they used to call it the, what the client or the customer will see. So this is just the front page design. So you are seeing this, now. But if you click on this buy now, okay, I think there is even a mistake. So if you click on this buy now, where it will take you to, you understand? So where it will take you to, and what is running at the back is the real work. That's the real work um, the back end developing. Okay, let me try and go back to the side there, and okay, let me click on this. Yes, this is what I want to try to do. I want to change. I want to make sure I correct the spelling of the buy that was changed to, that was mistakenly written to bought. Okay, okay. Just try and change it to buy. Okay, so you can now update it. You can now update it now. So for this aspect, we're gonna stop here, and in the next video we'll be learning how to create the back end. So the aspect of the backend just means that if you click on this buy now, where it will take you to, there's something running at the back that if you click on this, it's gonna take you there. Okay, please, I want you to stay connected with this video, and don't worry, you're gonna be learning a lot. And in some of our training, there are some secrets that is going to be revealed to you that you have to pay attention to them. Okay, so now I will be stopping here, then the next video will be dropped on my channel and you have access to watch them. Okay, thanks and bye for now.